1. Satin, divided by silk sheen fabrics. Satin and silk are stealing the spotlight this season. Their subtle shimmer adds instant luxury, perfect for women over 50 who love polished yet effortless style. A satin wrap dress drapes beautifully, creating movement without clinging. For daytime, a silk shirt dress paired with boots and a tailored coat offers understated glamour. These fabrics flatter mature silhouettes, reflecting light in a soft, flattering way. Burda 11/2025 shows them in jewel tones and sunset hues, proving their versatility for everything from casual lunches to formal events. Satin and silk pieces bring sophistication and modernity to your autumn wardrobe without feeling overdone. 2. Romantic. True romance looks. Burda celebrates romance with ruffles, bows, and dreamy layers that whisper femininity. These pieces feel graceful and ageless, perfect for women seeking softness without losing structure. Think flutter sleeves, delicate pleats, and high necklines paired with modern tailoring. Colors range from soft blush and lavender to rich autumn wine and forest green, flattering mature skin tones. Style a romantic blouse with tailored trousers for a balanced look, or choose a flowing midi with boots for effortless charm. True romance proves that elegance is not about age, but about embracing your individuality, making everyday dressing feel special and enchanting. 3. Maxi dresses dominate. Maxi dresses continue to rule, offering drama, comfort, and endless versatility. Burda's November issue highlights everything from boho tiered maxis for daytime ease to cape-effect gowns for evening sophistication. Long hemlines elongate the figure, skim gracefully over curves, and provide confidence-boosting coverage. For women over 50, maxi dresses are a wardrobe hero style, them with ankle boots and a leather belt for a casual outing or elevate with heels and statement jewelry for an event. Burda's maxi options appear in bold prints, jewel tones, and cozy knits, ensuring year-round wearability. This enduring silhouette proves that chic, powerful dressing knows no age. But mini hemlines, mini moments. The mini dress returns with sophistication, and Burda shows how to make it ageless. Quality fabrics like wool blends, velvet, or satin give shorter styles polish. Pair with opaque tights, boots, or a long line coat for balance, and warmth ideal for UK autumns. Rich colors and playful prints, like plaid or polka dots, add personality without sacrificing refinement. Layer a mini shift over a turtleneck or under a tailored blazer for a modern edge. This trend isn't about chasing youth. It's about confidence, fun, and expressing your personality. Burda proves that playful hemlines can be tasteful, bold, and empowering at any age. 5. Nighty-style dresses. Nighty-inspired dresses combine comfort with understated elegance. Burda's designs feature delicate lace trims, soft satins, and flowing shapes that flatter mature figures. These dresses feel relaxed yet polished, perfect for women over 50 who value both ease and style. Worn alone with heels, or layered under a chunky knit or blazer, they transition effortlessly from casual brunches to evening dinners. Neutral tones like ivory or taupe provide subtle sophistication, while deeper hues like burgundy or navy add seasonal richness. Nighty-style dressing channels, effortless, chic, perfect for creating looks that feel graceful, contemporary, and comfortable for every occasion. 6. Boho tiered flowy dresses. Bohemian elegance is back, and Burda 11/2025 gives it a modern refresh. Tiered flowy dresses with lace accents and relaxed fits evoke freedom and artistry while staying polished. For women over 50, these designs offer movement, comfort, and effortless sophistication. Pair with structured boots or a sleek belt to elevate the look. Earthy tones, Subtle florals and textured fabrics create a timeless boho vibe without feeling dated. Whether for a weekend getaway or an evening gathering, these dresses provide versatility and ease. Burda's boho revival shows that free-spirited style can feel chic, confident, and perfectly suited to mature fashion sensibilities. Seven. Bold colors and sunset shades. Burda 11/2025 celebrates color as a mood booster. Sunset-inspired hues, amber, terracotta, coral, and crimson, alongside jewel tones like emerald and sapphire, bring vibrancy to autumn wardrobes. These colors warm up grey UK days and add energy to classic silhouettes. For women over 50, bold colors brighten complexions and make a confident statement. A flowing dress in a fiery red or golden amber feels empowering and elegant. Burda encourages pairing these shades with neutral accessories for balance. Whether in satin, knits, or structured styles, sunset tones offer a fresh, youthful energy without appearing loud, proving that age-defying style is all about fearless color. Eight. Prints and patterns. Stripes, polka dots, abstract, divided by floral. Prints take center stage in Burda's November edition. Polka dots return in updated scales and playful placements. Stripes create elongation, and abstract designs add artistic energy. Florals are reimagined in autumn-friendly tones, bringing a touch of nature's beauty to your wardrobe. For women over 50, prints offer personality, without overwhelming. Simply pair a patterned dress with classic boots, or a sleek blazer for harmony. Burda shows how mixing subtle prints can feel chic and modern. From delicate motifs to statement designs, prints are a stylish way to showcase individuality, spark conversation, and breathe life into your cold weather dressing routine. 9. Leather and brown tones. Leather steps into the spotlight this season, but with a softer twist. Burda 11/2025 replaces black with rich browns, caramels, and earthy neutrals for a fresh take on autumn dressing. A leather shift dress or frock with leather trims adds instant sophistication and edge without feeling harsh. For women over 50, these warm tones complement mature skin beautifully and pair easily with seasonal palettes. Style with boots or cozy knits for day, or elevate with heels for evening wear. Brown leather dresses feel modern, versatile, and elegant, proof that a timeless fabric can be reinvented to suit today's confident, ageless woman. 10. Volume and dramatic silhouettes. Burda ends with a powerful trend: dramatic shapes and voluminous details. Oversized sleeves, full skirts, and sculptural cuts create statement, making dresses that exude confidence. These designs invite women over 50 to embrace boldness without sacrificing sophistication. A voluminous sleeve on a fitted bodice or a wide, flowing skirt balances presence with grace. Burda's November issue demonstrates that dramatic silhouettes don't overwhelm when styled thoughtfully, pair with minimal accessories and clean lines to let the dress shine. This trend isn't about excess. It's about celebrating your presence and individuality. Volume and drama prove that fashion has no age, only attitude.